Hello friends, welcome to my Cyber Predator channel. So guys, in today's video, we will be solving one of the Kali Linux problem that every Kali Linux user faces. And the problem is unable to locate package. So guys, you must have faced this problem and not got the perfect solution. So in this video, we will be solving this problem and you will get a perfect solution on that problem. So let's get started. So firstly, we will identify this problem, means what the problem looks like. So guys, the problem is occurred due to unstable repositories in sources file of apt. So you must be seeing this problem like sudo apt get. So guys, you must face this problem that unable to locate package. So basically, I am trying to install one of the media player, that is VLC media player. I have entered my password and suddenly when I press enter, I occur some 2-3 lines and lastly there is an error which is unable to locate package VLC. So guys, when this problem occurs, you must firstly check the repositories in sources.list file and check your repositories whether they are misplaced or whether they are not available in that file. So the file you must check is at a perfect location, that is etc apt, and in this apt folder there is one file that is sources.list. So basically this is the file which we need to edit or in which we need to add some repositories. So basically you must be thinking that what is a Linux repository. So basically a Linux repository is a storage location from which your system retrieves and install OS updates and applications. So the softwares which you are installing or pretending to install are stored at a perfect remote server, and the repositories fetches that installation packages and installs in your system. So this repositories works a bridge for your installation. So you can see here our repositories are missing. The hashtags are commented, means they are not usable, or they are just a single line which cannot be used or which cannot be processed. So we need to add some repositories from which your system connects to your remote server and install the package or installs any software for you. So basically I have listed some repositories or listed some remote server links in which the repositories are available. So I have listed some repositories. You need to add these lines to that perfect file, that is sources.list file, and all the work is done now. So I will just copy this and I will paste this in our sources.list. So basically I'm pasting this. So basically you need to have the full permissions of this file, unless and until you cannot do any changes to this file, because this file is too sensitive to your system. So I have saved this file. Now we will once again try to install the VLC media player. So after entering or after inserting these repositories, you need to update your system. So we have simple command, that is sudo apt get update. So this will update your system and it will connect the URLs or connect the repositories with your system. So basically our updation is started now. We should wait for this. So our updation process or our update process is completed now. So now we will directly try to install the VLC media player and we will verify that our repositories are working or not and our problem is solved or not. So I will simply enter sudo apt get install VLC. And as you see, our installation is started now and we are directly connected to remote server through indirect bridge. So basically the process is started and the installation is also started. Basically the repositories is fetching the data or VLC data from its remote server and trying to serve the package to our system. So basically you need to add some repositories to solve this problem. So I will list the repositories in our description box. You can check and you can copy and directly paste it to your sources.list file, and you need to update the system and your problem is solved. So I hope you have got the solution of your problem. I hope you will like my video and subscribe to my channel. So stay tuned for next updates and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.